How can I flush the output of the print function? How do I force Python's print function to flush the buffered output to the screen?
In Python 3, print can take an optional flush argument. In Python 2, after calling print, do. By default, print prints to system.stout. See the documentation for more about file objects.
You can change the flushing behavior using the AU command line flag e.g, python u script.py. U, unbuffered binary stout and stare, also python unbuffered equals see man page for details on internal buffering relating to IU. Here is the relevant documentation.
Also, as suggested in this blog post, one can reopen system.stout in unbuffered mode. Each stout.write and print operation will be automatically flushed afterwards.
Since Python 3.3, you can force the normal print function to flush without the need to use system.stout.flush. Just set the flush keyword argument to true. From the documentation. Print, *objects, sep equals, end equals \n, file equals system.stout, flush equals false, print objects to the stream file, separated by sep and followed by end. Sep, end, and file, if present, must be given as keyword arguments. All non-keyword arguments are converted to strings like str, dozen written to the stream, separated by sep and followed by end. Both sep and end must be strings. They can also be none, which means to use the default values. If no objects are given, print will just write end. The file argument must be an object with a write string method. If it is not present or none, system.stout will be used. Whether output is buffered is usually determined by file, but if the flush keyword argument is true, the stream is forcibly flushed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.